let us see what are underwater plants. So underwater plants, as the name suggests, they grow completely under the water. Therefore, they are known as underwater plants. Now, let us see the features or characteristics of these plants, the plants that grow underwater. The plants that grow underwater, they have narrow ribbon-like leaves and they breathe through their body surface. Now, why they have ribbon-like leaves? This ribbon-like leaves offer minimum resistance to water current. Water current is the current that is felt by the plant when the water is flowing, right? We all know that water keeps flowing continuously. So it produces a current when it's flowing. So to have maximum, to offer minimum resistance to the water current, these leaves are in the shape of ribbon, or you can say they are ribbon like leaves that offer minimum resistance to the water current. Okay, then next, their stems are rooted in water beds. They have their stems rooted in the water beds. The leaves and stems are very flexible as they have air spaces in between them, which allows maximum movement in the water. So for the maximum movement in the water, the leaves and stems are very flexible and they have air spaces between the cells. These plants which grow underwater, or the underwater plants, they use the carbon dioxide dissolved in the water. Now, why they use this carbon dioxide? Obviously, we have studied photosynthesis, right? So for the process of photosynthesis, they need carbon dioxide, and they use the carbon dioxide which is dissolved in the water. They carry out photosynthesis and then they release the oxygen into the water. So underwater plants, they grow completely underwater. They have narrow ribbon like leaves which offer minimum resistance to water current. They breathe through their body surface. Their stems are rooted in water beds. The leaves and stems are very flexible and they have air spaces that allows maximum movement in the water. They use carbon dioxide which is dissolved in water for photosynthesis and they release oxygen. Some examples of underwater plant are Hydrilla, Vallisneria and water starwort. See, look in the figure there. All these plants are underwater plants. They are grown inside the water, under the water. You will not see them on the surface of the water. They are deep inside the water. They grow under the water. Hydrilla, Vallisneria and water starwort. These are some of the examples.